Hi, hello. My name is Akshay Rakte. I am 27 years old. My height is 5 feet 10 inches. I am fluent in Hindi, English, and Marathi. I am currently living in Pune, but when the right opportunity arrives, I'll be more than happy to move to Mumbai. When it comes to my work experience, I worked in two Marathi films, three TV serials, and many Marathi and Hindi short films and promotional videos. I've done theatre for 6 years, in which I played lead role in an experimental as well as in commercial plays. As an actor, I have trained myself through method acting workshops and various theatrical and practical classes. I know driving, swimming, and I'm black belt in karate, so I'm comfortable with fight scenes. And no, I've not done any competitive before. And yes, I'm available on all the given shoot dates. And these are my profiles. Thank you.